In this video, I'm going to show you how to add noise reduction in Reaper. Now to do this, first you want to find your noise. So as you can see here, I have this audio clip and you want to find some empty area where of course you're not saying anything and there's just a bit of background noise. There doesn't have to be a lot, like this much or even less would be okay? So in that case, what you have to do when you found it, for me it's going to be this part over here where I actually took a breath inside my, of course, talking clip over here. What you want to do is, of course, select this part and you want to loop it. So I'm going to go and just click and drag like this and make sure your playhead is at the beginning and make sure loop is on. So click on this button to toggle repeat and then hit the play button. And as you can see, it's going to play that part infinitely, okay? Which is, of course, exactly what we want over here. And then you can, of course, just stop it whenever, of course, it's done. I'm going to go and restart it. I'm going to go with the playhead over here. And that's how you should be. When you've done this, when you've actually selected a piece of audio where you can only hear the noise and not your voice as well, you want to go and add an effect, and it's going to be under FX over here, and then you want to look for REA FIR. So type in REA FIR, and you want to select this VST over here, click on it, and click on Add. You want to go and select the mode to subtract, and then when you do this, the first thing you have to do is click on automatically build noise profile. So I'm going to hit that button, and then you want to go and hit the play button. So that's going to loop it, make sure it's actually looping, and as you can see, it's going to start recognizing your noise down here. Now if there's more noise, you'll see more things over here, but that's essentially it. Just let it play for a few seconds so it can actually recognize this noise, and then when you're done, you can of course hit the stop button, and you can go and uncheck this over here. Make sure you uncheck it, don't forget to do this. So of course, whenever you've done this, it's basically going to automatically do it. So it's going to kind of fine-tune this, and it's going to remove that specific noise, and you can then just close this window and of course basically hear your voice, your audio over here, and see that it's going to basically kind of remove the background noise. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.